Nikola Tesla's history, birth and early life. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in Smiljan, Austrian Empire, now Croatia. He displayed an aptitude for engineering and invention from a young age. Education and work. Tesla studied electrical engineering at the Graz University of Technology in Austria and later attended the University of Prague. He worked for various companies, including the Continental Edison Company and the Westinghouse electric manufacturing company. AC power and the war of currents. Tesla is best known for his contributions to the development of alternating current AC electrical systems. He played a crucial role in the war of currents, advocating for AC power transmission over Thomas Edison's direct current DC system. Patents and inventions. Tesla held numerous patents for his inventions and innovations, including the induction motor, the Tesla coil, and wireless power transmission. His work laid the foundation for modern electrical power systems and wireless communication. Niagara Falls Power Project. Tesla's AC system was successfully utilized in the construction of the first large-scale hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls, New York. This project demonstrated the efficiency and feasibility of AC power transmission over long distances. Wardenclyffe Tower and wireless communication. Tesla envisioned a global wireless communication system and began construction of the Wardenclyffe Tower in New York. However, due to financial difficulties, the project was never completed, and the tower was demolished. Contributions to science and technology. Tesla made significant contributions to various fields, including electrical engineering, physics, and radio technology. His concepts and ideas influenced future developments in wireless communication, robotics, and renewable energy. Personal and financial challenges. Despite his scientific brilliance, Tesla faced financial difficulties and struggled to secure funding for his projects. He had several failed business ventures and experienced periods of poverty later in his life. Legacy and recognition. Tesla's work and ideas have had a lasting impact on modern technology and society. He is considered one of the greatest inventors and electrical engineers in history. Tesla's contributions are celebrated by scientists, engineers, and enthusiasts worldwide. Pop culture references. Tesla's name and inventions continue to be referenced in popular culture, including movies, books, and video games, often portraying him as a visionary and mad scientist. Tesla versus Edison. Tesla had a well-known rivalry with Thomas Edison, who was a proponent of direct current DC power. Their differing views on electrical systems and the war of currents fueled competition between their respective companies. Tesla's vision for wireless power. Tesla envisioned a world where electricity could be transmitted wirelessly, allowing for wireless power distribution and communication. His experiments and patents laid the foundation for technologies such as wireless charging and radio communication. Contributions to X-ray technology. Tesla made significant advancements in X-ray technology, conducting pioneering experiments and improving X-ray tubes. However, his contributions in this field were often overshadowed by the discoveries of Wilhelm Röntgen. The Tesla coil. Tesla's invention of the Tesla coil allowed for the production of high-voltage, high-frequency electricity. The Tesla coil is still used today in various applications, including radio transmission, wireless energy transfer, and scientific experiments. Mental and emotional struggles. Tesla faced personal challenges and was known to have some eccentricities, such as an obsession with cleanliness and an aversion to germs. He also experienced periods of depression and suffered from financial instability later in his life. Unfinished projects and lost inventions. Tesla had several ambitious projects that remained unfinished, such as the wireless power transmission system and the creation of a death ray weapon. After his death, many of his notes and inventions were lost or confiscated, contributing to the mystique surrounding his work. Honors and recognitions. Tesla received numerous honors and awards during his lifetime, including the Elliott Cresson Medal and the Edison Medal. Today, he is commemorated through various honors, such as the Tesla Unit, a unit of magnetic flux density, and the Nikola Tesla Award. Tesla's last years and death. Tesla spent his last years in New York City, living in relative obscurity. He died on January 7, 1943, at the age of 86, in New York City. Tesla's ongoing inspiration, Tesla's ideas and inventions continue to inspire scientists, engineers, and inventors to this day. His contributions to the field of electrical engineering and his futuristic concepts continue to captivate the imagination of many. International recognition. Tesla's contributions to science and technology have garnered recognition worldwide. He is celebrated as a national hero in his home country of Serbia, where a museum dedicated to his work is located in Belgrade. Environmental visionary. Tesla was an advocate for renewable energy sources and believed in harnessing natural resources for power generation. His ideas on utilizing solar, wind, and geothermal energy anticipated the modern focus on sustainable and green technologies. Tesla's wireless transmission demonstration. In 1893, Tesla conducted a public demonstration at the World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago, where he wirelessly illuminated phosphorescent lamps without the need for electrical wires. This groundbreaking display showcased the potential of his wireless power transmission concept. Long-distance wireless power transmission. Tesla's experiments with wireless power transmission involved the concept of resonant inductive coupling. He envisioned transmitting electricity over long distances without the need for traditional power lines, envisioning a world where power would be accessible everywhere wirelessly. Tesla's contributions to radio. Tesla's work on wireless communication played a significant role in the development of radio technology. His patents and research were influential in later inventions credited to Guglielmo Marconi and the legal battles surrounding the patent rights. The Tesla Museum at Wardenclyffe. Efforts are underway to preserve Tesla's last remaining laboratory at Wardenclyffe in Shoreham, New York. The property has been acquired by the Tesla Science Center at Wardenclyffe, a non-profit organization aiming to create a museum and science center dedicated to Tesla's work. Tesla's literary works. Tesla was a prolific writer, and his essays and articles were published in various scientific journals and magazines. His writings covered a wide range of topics, including alternating current, wireless transmission, and his visionary ideas for the future.